Hey guys, welcome back for another video on the 21 Lowrider S. Today we're going to be installing new handlebar grips, and so the grips that it currently has are these rubber ones, and they just get like a lot of gunk. They're kind of gross, and so we're going to get rid of those and we'll get into the video. Okay, so the grips that we ended up getting, we got these ones by Sly Fox, and so I'll show you them just compared to the rubber ones. So this is kind of initially what they're going to look like. Jacob's going to be helping me with this install, and so we'll get into the video and we'll show you guys on how to do it. So first off, we're gonna start by taking these out on both sides. They're right here, and then we'll separate this so that we can get to those grips. Just gonna separate this from here. And those are T25 and T27. So we're just gonna take that top off there, set it aside. And then this grip, we're just gonna pull right down just enough so we can get that grip out. Pretty sure it should come. All right there. This one has the teeth in it. So the throttle one is going to have your teeth in it, so we're just going to slide that on there, and we'll just make sure that that butt's right up where it's supposed to go. We're going to test it, make sure that it works the way it should. And we're going to get this back together. Good. So I'm going to start on the passenger side. Get this mirror turned so I can get down in there. I might just have to strip it. I'd be surprised. It does have, I think there's a big one, so hand me that over here. Okay, now, so that is done like that. All right, so now we're gonna try the air method, which usually you can put some air in here, it'll blow this right off. So I'll try that first. A lot of people just cut this grip off with a razor blade. I'm gonna see if we can just blow it off in case like I ever wanna sell these or anything. So we'll give that a shot. We'll blow it off first. You ready? It's gonna work. Yep, we're just gonna cut them off. All right, so first method didn't work. So we're just gonna cut them right off. I assume the reason they didn't work is because these are glued on, where like with bolt bike ones, they're usually not glued on. Yeah, you can kind of see the glue and everything that's in there. So that would be why they were not coming off. Out with the old, and we'll put that one on in a minute. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you scrape off all the old glue and plastic that's on it. Do you want to grab me some sandpaper from the back? Let's see. Now I'm gonna need something more coarse. I'm gonna grab some, well, we'll try rubbing alcohol first, but then if not, we'll have to use some sandpaper to get the rest of this stuff off. Yeah, it's gonna need sandpaper. Okay, so now this is one 180 grit that I used on there, and so you don't have to use that coarse, but I did because I just wanted to get it all off so that it's done. We're over with that. Now it's time to put on the new grips. Wipe that off, make sure there's no residue. They seem like they're too big. Oh, never mind. They just need to be slid on. Oh, here we go. Yeah, those fit nice. They're gonna still wiggle around, but. So guys, this is what the new grips look like. They're all done. So this is what the old ones look like. We did have to cut this one off, which you've guys seen in the video. The air unfortunately doesn't work because of all the glue and everything that Harley uses to put them on. But they honestly weren't too bad. I say just some of your controls are a little pain in the butt to get back on, but as long as you work with them, they do go back. So. But this is the throttle side. The throttle side, honestly, I was surprised, but it was actually the easiest. So if you guys want to see more videos on the 21 Lowrider, go ahead and follow, subscribe, and we'll be putting out more videos.